think overall the mood and excitement of all the people who participated was one of great learning, great sharing and great networking.
Lovely to be at Assembly 2025, fun place, and more importantly, people are discussing, debating the concept of reputation. Reputation does matter, and what's the context of reputation in the 21st century. So great learning place, and look forward to the future sessions as well.
The Assembly Conference has been a lot of fun. Of course, the location is fabulous, but more than that, the vibrant professionals that we have assembled here. The sessions have been hugely interactive.
Reputation management is very critical in today's time, especially in a fast evolving digital world where every post, every tweet, every kind of an messaging that the influencers put in across or the de-influencers put across has a bearing on reputation of large brands that have evolved over time but can be brought up or brought down in a manner of one single message in the digital space.
I think this is the future, and this is how the capabilities in this field are going to be enhanced. I think kudos to the team behind it. Great job done. This should continue and grow in a way that it raises the bar of our wonderful profession.
What stood out for me were the 3 E's: the experience in the room, the energy that everybody exhibited, and the enthusiasm with which some very thought-provoking, challenging discussions were held.
It was a great learning experience working with a cross-corporate communication set of people, and the level of knowledge, the depth of experience, and the energy in which they came out, and the enthusiasm they showed, and the interaction that they did was really worth mentioning.
These kind of sessions I've never had anywhere else. In any of the other conferences, they were so different and the discussions were so enriching that I really have taken a lot of notes, by the way, and I really want to share it with all my colleagues, juniors and everyone. I just want to make sure that I spread the word around and make sure that all the learnings which I have been a part of, even they indirectly also become a part of it.